Cyber awareness training from Riskigy. Payment phishing scam awareness can save time and money. Payment phishing scams are fraudulent activities where attackers attempt to deceive individuals into providing sensitive information or financial details, such as credit card or bank account numbers. These scams typically involve sending emails or text messages that appear to be from a reputable company you trust, like a bank or an online payment website. These messages may claim to have noticed suspicious activity or login attempts and persuade you to provide your personal information. Recently reported payment phishing scams are utilizing. Attackers use email sender display name impersonation using a well-known brand or service provider. Email subject lines conveying a sense of urgency such as action required or final notice or overdue. Messages contain legitimate company branding to further the scam's chance of success and bypassing security training practices. Recent reports of payment phishing scams. Recent reports of a phishing campaign with Etna-themed lures attempting to deliver malware. The sender's display name impersonates the managed healthcare company. Phishing emails with Intuit-themed lures sent to employees attempting to harvest account credentials. The sender's display name impersonates the legitimate Intuit QuickBooks brand. Well-crafted phishing emails claiming to be from financial institutions, specifically Citibank or other well-known banks. The sender display name impersonates the banks to convey legitimacy. The phishing emails contain an embedded link that, if clicked, initiates the malware infection. The threat actor used language to incite concern regarding possible garnished wages. SMS, voice and direct messages are also exploitable. Payment phishing scams can also occur through other methods like vishing, voice phishing over the phone, and smishing, phishing through SMS text messages. Be cautious of unexpected communications, especially those asking for personal or financial information. To avoid falling victim to phishing scams, be familiarized with recognizing phishing attempts. Here are some tips to avoid payment phishing scams. Always verify the sender, and use secure networks when making online payments or accessing sensitive information. Be cautious when processing invoices. Ensure your accounts payable personnel are aware of the prevalence of these scams and verify details before processing invoices. Verify unfamiliar vendors. Don't purchase from new suppliers or pay invoices from unfamiliar vendors until you verify their legitimacy. Don't click on suspicious links. If an invoice includes a questionable link, avoid clicking on it as it may contain malware. Use secure payment methods. When making payments, opt for secure payment methods, which offer additional protections against fraud. Train your staff. Make sure employees know how to recognize fake invoices and how to report any suspicious activities. By staying vigilant and using these tips, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to scams. It's crucial to stay alert about potential threats and always double-check the messages you receive. Cybersecurity is complex. We are here to help. Cyber threats are everywhere. You don't have to face them alone. Get cybersecurity and tech help from Riskigy. Contact us at www.riskigy.com or email mike@riskigy.team for next steps.